to my channel. I have abused my hair for the past 3 days. And when I say abused, I mean I have had a wash and go in my hair, and I did not sleep with a bonnet on. I did not try to add any moisture to it the next day. I have just not been feeling good, and the first thing I neglected was my hair, and I feel so bad about it. So I went on and I got up enough strength to wash my hair, to shampoo my hair. I'm trying to say more than wash because I shampoo my hair. To shampoo my hair and to condition my hair and to deep condition my hair. I did all 3 of those things. And I was like, well, go ahead and make a video. So since I've treated my hair so bad, I'm going to be going in with the Alphogee Curlific products. Curlific. Yeah. I'm going to be using their products on my hair because I know my hair, it got pretty bad, y'all. It got pretty bad. All I had to do was take it and put it in a protective style. That's all I had to do was take it, put it in a protective style, and get back to it later. But I didn't do that. I just laid down on my pillow. Oh, don't neglect your hair. Do not neglect your hair, or your hair will neglect you. Because I had, it was matted, in the back. In the back, just matted. I feel so bad. I feel so bad. And if it worked for me today, I really appreciate it. And if it didn't work for me today, I could totally understand why. So I use Has Biotin Boost shampoo and conditioner, and I use Aussie Miracle Moisture 3-minute deep conditioner. Yeah, those are the products I went in to shampoo and condition my hair and deep condition. So I hope these products take to my hair. I may have to go get some water. Because right now it's feeling good. It's feeling like it's back to normal. Curlific has a moisture leave-in, rich leave-in. Seals and protects, detangles, lasting thermal protection. So I didn't have heat damage. And it's it sprays, but I'm kind of in a rush. Not in a rush to do anything, but trying to beat my hair before it dries. So I will be squeezing that on out of there like that. And applying it to my hair as a leave-in. I know my hair felt so neglected. If you do not feel like doing nothing with your hair, at least put it up in some protective twist or something. At least. And that's a note to self. Okay. So we added the leave-in. Now we're going to add the curl definer. And it's a creamy consistency. kind of on the thick side, but it's creamy. Trying to spread it generously throughout my hair. Pretty bad. Just want my curls to come back. And after wearing this wash and go for probably like 2 days, it will be going up in a protective style using these same products and some water. So, yeah, it worked. So the curls are still alive. Woo, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly. The curls are still alive. Go in with some leave-in. And I'm just going to speed up the rest of this. How about that? I'm done with the Curlific Curl Definer. And Alphogee is good for protein, and it's good for bringing life back into dead hair. That's why I grabbed this product. And, you know, because usually it's for protein treatments. But I felt like right now it was necessary to get a good treatment on my head. Once I get a good treatment on my head, I get my curls back, got my curls back. And that's what I was looking for. So, that's what I was looking for. Whoa. Yeah. I thought they would be gone. But they back. Now, in 2 days, I'm going to be tired of the wash and go. And I'm going to put it up in a protective style. I'm going to put it up in some twists. That's what I'm going to do. I know myself. So the next time y'all see me, hair probably be untwisted or already shampooed and conditioned. But the wash and goes do not stay on my hair more than 2-3 days like the previous wash and go did, because that's what happens. I just be like blah, blah. Then I get in the shower and be like, oh, I forgot my shampoo. Blah. Can't wash my hair. Oh, I'm finna go somewhere. Oh, where's the baseball cap? Blah. You can't be blah. If you be blah, your hair would look like my hair at the beginning of this video. No, before I shot this video. Because I was too embarrassed. So, you guys, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Thank you to all my subscribers out there that are showing support. You guys, take care of your hair. Don't let your hair go for more than 3 or 4 days like I did. Don't do it. And thank God I didn't have that much shedding either, because that would have been a good chance for my hair to break out. So, I will see you guys in the next video. So keep God first in everything you do, and I do mean everything. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.